I meant to be ganun. Okay. So the recipe is so simple. We're actually done. Can you try it? Would you like to try it?
Sure.
Yes.
How do I eat this? Do I fold it?
You know, I would just do
먹어도
this.
될까요?
Okay.
Yes, para siyang ano, it's like a pika dish almost. Very, again, easy to put together, easy to eat as well. You know, Century Tuna is such a versatile product. And you can make so many things with it. But I have to say, the kimchi and tuna combination is a classic. It works so well. And you make so many good, well, Korean cuisine too, but I'm sure you can make many other things as well.
시간만 있으면 다 먹고 싶어요.
If I just had enough time, I'd eat this all, but no.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you in your cooking skills in the kitchen?
요리 실력이 없어도 센트리 투나가 있으면 누구든 요리사가 될 수 있습니다.
Even though you're bad at cooking, just as long as you're with Century Tuna, anyone can be a chef.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Okay, bilang nakatikim ng recipe ni Pak Seo Joon Han, how was it for you? What was that like?
It was so good. I love the spice the kimchi gives to the tuna. So this is my first time to try this recipe, and I think I'll do it again.
All right.
So good.
And we absolutely invite you guys to try this at home as well. Again, it was so simple, it was so tasty. You can make it after a long day, as Pak Seo Joon would as